Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the graphs which are from the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. If you didn't watch the polynomials graphs video, the link is in the description. Watch it. Okay, now let's move to the question. The two equations are given as 3x plus 2y equals to 5, and the second equation is given as 2x minus 3y is equals to 7. 3x plus 2y is equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 7. So what first step we need to do is making two boxes. One box for the first equation and second box for the second equation. X, y, x comma y. Second box for the second equation. X, y, x comma y. This is for the equation 3x plus 2y is equals to 5, and this is for the second equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 7. Drawing a linear equation graph is very easy. First, substitute 0 in the place of x. So the given equation is 3x plus 2y is equals to 5. 3x plus 2y is equals to 5. Substitute 0 in the place of x. 3 of 0 plus 2y is equals to 5. 3 into 0, 0 plus 2y is equals to 5. So 2y is equals to 5. Then y is equals to 5 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2.5 are. Y value is 2.5. Make it in the box. So y value we got as 2.5 or 2.5. Now what we will do, take y value as 0. Substitute 0 in the place of y. We got the equation 3x plus 2y is equals to 5. 3x plus 2 into, in the place of y we need to substitute 0 is equals to 5. So 3x is equals to 5, then x is equals to 5 divided by 3. So x is equals to 5 by 3 is nothing but 1.6. So in the place of x, 1.6. X value is 1.6. When we substituted x 0, we got y value as 2.5. When we substituted y value as 0, we got 1.6 as the x value. X 0, y 2.5. So 0 comma 2.5. X 1.6, y 0. So 1.6 comma 0. Now first equation completed. Now let us move to the second equation. 2x minus 3y is equals to 0. Same like the previous one only. First substitute 0 in the place of x and find the y value. So the equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 7. 2x minus 3y equals to 7. In the place of x we need to substitute 0. 2 of 0 minus 3y equals to 7. So 2 into 0, 0 minus 3y is equals to 7. So minus 3y equals to 7. Y is equals to 7 by minus 3. So y is equals to 7 by 3, 2.3. Here minus is there, so minus. Y value is minus 2.3. Y value is minus 2.3. So here minus 2.3. Next, now substitute 0 in the place of y. We have the equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 7. 2x minus 3 into, in the place of y, 0, which is equals to 7. So 2x is equals to 7. Now we want x value, so take 2 to the right side. X is equals to 7 divided by 2. So then x is equals to 3.5. X value is 3.5. Here x value is 3.5. Now make it here. 0 is x, minus 2.3 is y. So 0 comma minus 2.3. 3.5 is x, 0 is y. So 3.5 comma 0. Based on these points, we need to draw the graph now. Draw y-axis and x-axis. X-axis, y-axis. This is x dash and this is y dash. If we observe the values for the first equation as well as second equation, for x the maximum is 3.5, for y the maximum is 2.5. So we have so many boxes. So what I will do, I will take two boxes as one unit. One box, two boxes as one unit, again two boxes, one unit, two boxes, again two boxes, again two boxes. Same left side also, two boxes, again two boxes, again two boxes, again two boxes, and so on. Even in the here also 1, 2, 3. Okay, same. Here also I am taking same. Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. Down also same. 1, 2 boxes, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Okay, now let us point the points. Before that, let us write the scale first of all. Scale. First on x-axis. On x-axis, if you observe, we are taking one number for two boxes. Two boxes represents 2 centimeters. One box is 1 centimeter. So 2 boxes, 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters, 1 unit. 2 centimeters, 1 unit. Now what about the y-axis? On y-axis also we took the same. So y-axis 2 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Okay, now let us represent the points. First point we have 0, 2.5. 0 is nothing but the origin always. So 0, 2.5. This is 2, this is 3. In between 2 and 3, we have one point that will become 2.5. 0, 2.5. Next, 1.6, 0. 1.6. Here, this is 1. This is 1.5. Just beside that only one more line, 1.6. And here no need to worry about the points also. Observe it carefully. X value we have 1.6. So on x axis 1.6. Y value we have 2.5. On y axis 2.5. Join it with the help of a scale. We need to join these two lines definitely with the help of a scale only. Keep arrows. Okay, first equation this. So first equation is 3x plus 2y is equals to 5. Write that equation also. 3x plus 2y is equals to 5. Okay, later I will write, no problem. Now come to the second one. X axis we have 3.5. On x axis 3.5. This is 3, this is 4. So in between of it 3.5. Next, on y axis minus 2.3. On y axis this is -2, this is -3, so somewhere here it will get -2.3. Now again these 2 points we need to join definitely with the help of scale. Again for this also arrows. Okay, here I am drawing the lines with the help of a sketch or marker. So that's why instead of coming a thin line, we will get a thicker line which covers sometimes 1 millimeter, even 2 millimeters also. So now these two lines are touching with each other, means definitely these two given equations are having a solution. Then what is that solution? Check where those two lines are touching with each other. This line is touching here somewhere, and here this line is touching here somewhere. So this point and this point, where they are touching exactly with each other. So if we observe it keenly, we can say where those lines are touching with each other. So here on x-axis, where it is touching, in between 2 and 2.5. So this is second point, in between second and third point, 2.2. On y-axis, it is before -1 only, so minus 0.8. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. The answer or solution for this is 2.2 comma minus 0.8. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.